Asian stir fries are cooked fast to seal in the flavour. With 1800 watts of power and high searing heat, the Breville Hot Wok Pro captures authentic Asian flavours. And the high wall 8-quart capacity is ideal for stir fries, steaming, braising and shallow frying. The butterfly heating element gets heat right throughout the entire high wall. For best results, allow the wok to preheat for 10 minutes on high sear. And never place oil or food in the wok while it's heating, as this will cause a poor cooking result. Heat settings 1 and 2 are ideal for slow cooking less tender meat. 3 and 4 are great for casseroles and soups, scrambled eggs and even oatmeal. 5 through 8 are best for curries and pastas. 9 and 10 for shallow frying in a small amount of vegetable, peanut or canola oil. And always cook a few pieces at a time to ensure crispiness. And drain your food on a paper towel. Use 11 through 14 for vegetable stir frying, which is a healthy way to cook food. The continual tossing motion of stir frying ensures the food is properly exposed to the heat and cooks quickly and evenly in a couple of minutes. The high sear setting is especially great for locking in all the juicy flavours of meats. The Cook and Look lid is tempered glass with a steam vent. Use the included spatula and never metal utensils to avoid damage of the BFOA-free multi-coat system. The dishwasher-safe bowl can be removed from the base for easy cleaning. Simply press the push lever to the unlock position, then gently lift the bowl from the base and wash with warm soapy water or in the dishwasher. The glass lid should only be hand washed.
Made in Japan, this rice cooker can cook as little as half a cup of rice and up to 3 cups, which is ideal for singles and small families. The black, thick, spherical inner cooking pan distributes heat evenly and is nonstick coated for easy cleaning. The machine is equipped with superior induction heating technology, or IH, that utilizes a magnetic field to heat and cool the inner cooking pan quickly and evenly for better cooking. And the triple heaters in the bottom, sides, and lid provide even heat. The menu settings for white and mixed rice, rinse-free, quick cooking, sushi rice, and porridge make this rice cooker versatile. And the menu settings for brown rice and GABA brown rice add healthy options. The inner lid is made of stainless steel and is detachable and washable. And the detachable power cord makes storage easy. The Zojirushi Panorama Window MyCom water boiler and warmer is made in Japan and comes in 3, 4, and 5-liter capacities. This water boiler quickly boils and keeps water warm at one of 4 selectable keep warm temperatures: 208, 195, 175, and 160 degrees, which are ideal for a variety of uses such as brewing different types of teas and coffee. This water boiler also comes with the optional quick temp mode, which heats water to 195, 175, or 160 degrees without first bringing it to a boil, greatly saving time and energy. Safety features include automatic shutoff when water is low, as well as an automatic dispense lock. Additionally, the removable magnetic power cord easily detaches when snagged to prevent the unit from toppling. This water boiler also has a non-stick coated interior for easy cleaning.